Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So today I have Aditya here with me and today we're going to be trying out stuff from Shark Tank but food edition. मैंने already part 1 बना दिया है which I will link down below. In that video I tried all different kinds of things. There was beauty, hair, फूड भी था उसमें बट एकदम रैंडम वीडियो था. आज वी कैन बी फोकसिंग ऑन फूड. वी कैन बी ट्राइंग आउट एवरीथिंग. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स. वी हैव स्नैक्स, डिजर्ट्स, ड्रिंक्स. सो हम सारी चीजें ट्राई करेंगे, रेट करेंगे. सो आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yes, very excited.
Let's get started with today's video. So the first thing that we're going to try out is from Patil Kaki. She is someone who wanted to deliver माँ के हाथ का खाना to everyone. So we have two things. We have chakli and we have a laddu. I think let's start with the chakli. So this is what the packaging looks like. It says that it has no preservatives and it's supposed to give you an authentic taste. I feel like you're the perfect person to
Yes.
try out chaklis.
Because I have had a fair share of bhajni chakli. So let's see how it is.
What exactly is bhajni chakli?
I don't know exactly what it is, but basically जो दिवाली में महाराष्ट्रियंस जो चकली बनाते हैं उसको भाजनी. I think भाजनी is basically the batter or the material from which it is made.
Okay.
So उसका जो चकली है भाजनी चकली.
Not gonna lie, जब ये आया था already मैंने टेस्ट कर लिया है इसे because I just couldn't. I really like chaklis.
So do I.
Smells really nice. Smells like Diwali, low key, है ना?
It's nice. मस्त बना है.
But it's not the best.
Obviously, I mean, I have had better. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
But it's pretty good.
So I feel like it's not very oily, which is a great thing. वरना there are a lot of times when you bite into a chakli and there's just like oil in your mouth. वो बिल्कुल भी इसके साथ नहीं लग रहा है. But पता नहीं, it's just doesn't hit like. Okay, मतलब okay chakli. I don't love it. I don't like. मतलब I like it. It's not bad, but okay. I would give it like 7 out of 10 or like 6.57.
I would give it an 8 on 10. Like what you said is correct. It's not very oily, so that's a really good thing. Taste is also it's good. It's not the best. Like I have had better, but
Yeah.
it's nice. Definitely worth a try.
We have another product from Patil Kaki. This is her protein laddu. So this is rich in omega-3, protein, calcium and essential fibers. Again, this has no preservatives. 300 grams का है ये for 380 rupees. थोड़ा महंगा है I guess. ये मैंने बिल्कुल भी ट्राई नहीं किया. तूने भी ट्राई नहीं किया ये पहले. This is the first time that we're going to be trying it out. Ooh, cool packaging. I think we're going to share. चकली जैसी गलती फिर से नहीं करनी है because we have a lot of food to try. Smells very healthy. बहुत dry है. First impression.
Okay, so the ingredients are jowar flour, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, dates, cardamom powder and pure ghee.
Which is really good.
Yeah.
तो healthy तो है और बहुत healthy taste भी है इसका. What do you have to say about this?
So taste-wise, I didn't like the taste as such, but of course, जिसको लड्डू खाना है, they can't have sweet laddus. That's a good alternative for them.
Yeah, I think so. मतलब टेस्ट में इतना कुछ ग्रेट नहीं है. बहुत ड्राई है. I think I would give it like a 6 out of 10 only because it's so healthy. So I feel like it's a good thing to eat maybe every day, maybe one I'm assuming.
Yeah.
But taste में it's not the best. So that was it for Patil Kaki. But they also sell some other really cool stuff like they have puran poli, they have karanji, chivda. So like एकदम authentic Maharashtrian snacks है उनके पास. In case you want to try them out. Let's move on to the next brand. So the next brand that we have is called Namya Foods. It's a herbal tea brand. They have teas for all kinds of like problems, health issues. So I've picked out 2. Today we're going to be trying out a thyroid tea because your dad Adya and my mom have thyroid, so I thought why not try it out, and the ingredients are so nice and there's no preservatives, so we're gonna try that out. And we're also gonna be trying out a period tea, which I'm excited about because I don't have the best relationship with my periods, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out. But even before we try it out, I do want to say that obviously एक बार पी के कुछ effect नहीं आने वाला. You have to try it out for a longer period. I cannot tell you if this works or doesn't work in one go, but I just wanted to spread spread awareness in case there is some kind of health issue that you have. I feel like it's a really natural and nice route to go towards.
You can check it out basically.
Yeah, so of course everything's gonna be linked down below. Let's try the thyroid tea. We're just gonna be telling you how it tastes. Obviously हमें thyroid नहीं है, but इसके ingredients बहुत ही आयुर्वेदिक है. Like there's gotu kola, there's ashwagandha, there's licorice, and it has other ayurvedic herbs. So I feel like it's not going to be harmful for us to try it out in one go. So let's just try and see the taste. Wow, थोड़ा bitter है, but बहुत subtle है. But it feels very comforting. I don't know why. It doesn't taste bad.
I didn't find it bitter.
You didn't? मुझे थोड़ा सा bitter लगा, but काफी अच्छा है. Next we have the period care tea. This is great if you have PCOS and PCOD. Ingredients इसमें है saffron, ashwagandha, ashoka, and lots of other Ayurvedic herbs. This is supposed to be really great for you to regulate your periods also.
Worth a shot.
Tastes very similar actually. अच्छा है यार ये actually.
I like the taste of both of the
Both,
teas.
yeah. I feel like I used to at least drink a lot of dip tea, and recently I've come to know that उसमें plastic होता है, and apparently it also is
Carcinogenic.
that one. So I'm trying to like switch. Of course, जो मेरे पास already पड़ा है, I'll use it, and then I'm trying to move towards like loose tea. This is loose tea, and maybe you can get some that works for your health. So I feel like it's such a good brand. I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10.
I like the taste of both the teas that I had, and if you are trying to, to solve some problem that you have through Ayurveda, I think you can give it a shot.
Are you ready to have some chocolate?
Always.
So the next brand is called Lil Goodness. It's a probiotic jaggery based chocolate brand. So here I have a pack of 4, which is for almost 400 rupees. So 100 rupees per chocolate, which is kind of expensive for this size, and this comes in a bunch of different flavors.
So we have 4 flavors in these. There is almond, there is blueberry, there is fruit and nut, and there's cranberry. So I think interesting flavors.
अच्छे flavors है ये. सारों का एक bite लेते हैं. So I'm just reading the box right here, and it says that it has no added refined sugar. It uses no vegetable oil. It only uses cocoa butter, 100%. It also says that it has no preservatives, no added colors, and the packaging is recyclable. I think let's start with almond. That's a very safe bet. एकदम soft. Okay, let's keep going. Fruit and nut. बहुत similar taste है ना दोनों का? Or did we have it too soon? Cranberry. I got a cranberry piece.
Wow.
Wow, this is nice. मुझे actually cranberry का piece है, so it's better. यहाँ पे blueberry का piece है, you should take it. Then we have blueberry. Got the piece ना? I want you to actually go first.
So the taste of the chocolate is nice, like it melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
It does not feel that it's not a sugary chocolate.
Yeah.
Or it's made with jaggery. The flavors are interesting. The taste of the blueberry was too good. I like the blueberry one a lot.
Okay.
Even the others are pretty good. I think I will give this product a 9 on 10. Solid 9 on 10.
Yeah. I feel like if you do enjoy dark chocolate, you'll like it even more. थोड़ा वो cocoa का flavor strong है, but it's not bitter.
It's not bitter at all.
It's like proper chocolate, but you can definitely tell that it's healthy chocolate. You know what I mean? It doesn't give you like a sugar rush, but it's still sweet. Like it's the perfect amount of sweetness. My personal favorite was cranberry. बहुत ही yummy था because उसमें chunks of cranberry था. So I feel like it's great. Even I'm gonna give it like a 9.5 out of 10.
Totally worth it.
The next brand that we have is called Atmosphere Studio. They sell all kinds of different things, but मुझे personally सबसे ज़्यादा attract हुआ kombucha. I feel like I have tried kombucha, but I don't remember liking it. So I'm excited to try it. But all the products that they have are enriched with probiotics and prebiotics, which is nice for the gut, I'm assuming. So let's try out this kombucha that we have.
I have never tried kombucha.
Oh, you have not? So आज हमारे पास है raspberry and lemonade kombucha. It's supposed to be tangy, nostalgic, and it's supposed to taste like your childhood. Summery childhood, ऐसा लिखा है इसमें. Okay, you go first.
Tastes a little weird. I mean, I have not tasted anything like this before.
थोड़ा वाइन जैसा टेस्ट नहीं है?
Kind of.
I mean, yeah, it's supposed to be fermented, so kind of makes sense. Strong है. I'm not a fan.
Yeah, me neither. I would give this around 4 on 10.
Yeah, even I think I'll give like a 3 on 10. Not a fan. The next brand that we have is called Go Desi. I feel like the name just gives it away. Everything that they do, they add like an Indian touch to it.
Okay.
So, सबसे interesting जो मुझे लगा was that they do Indian lollipop. This is what it looks like. It's called the Pops Box, and it comes with so many different flavors right here. I'm gonna read them really quickly. It has chili guava, it has masala jamun, chili orange, strawberry, खट्टा नींबू, रियल आम, कच्चा आम, टैंगी इमली.
Wow.
बहुत ही यूनिक प्रोडक्ट है. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट सेलर बॉक्स एंड इट कम्स विद 7 डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स एंड ये पूरा बॉक्स इज फॉर 450 रुपीज एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कैंडी इन हियर. नॉट बैड प्राइसिंग वाइज. आई फील लाइक इट्स फाइन. दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. इट कम्स ऑन द वो स्टिक आता था ना जिसपे पॉप्सिकल आता है, वुडन स्टिक. What flavor do you want to try?
Mango, obviously.
So we were just trying to figure out whether it's healthy or not healthy. It does say that there's no added refined sugar. Mostly jaggery use किया गया है इसमें, but है sugar इसमें. Refined नहीं है, but sugar है. Jaggery है mainly. सब जगह पे number 1 ingredient is jaggery. मेरा तो अंदर ही रहेगा. तेरा perfectly निकला.
Yes.
मेरा अंदर ही रहेगा. तो थोड़ा पैकेजिंग
निकालने आना चाहिए.
मेरा थोड़ा मेस क्रिएट हो गया, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट.
डायरेक्ट रैपर से खा.
वही कर रही हूँ. ओके, आई हैव
वो देसी.
यू हैव मैंगो, आई हैव खट्टा नींबू. गुड़ है वो तो पता चल रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द कंसिस्टेंसी इमीडिएटली.
मेरा तो बहुत अच्छा है.
मेरा आई मीन आई फील लाइक इट्स ट्रू टू इट्स नेम. खट्टा नींबू है, लाइक प्रॉपर नींबू का टेस्ट आ रहा है.
आई थिंक यू विल लाइक दिस वन. भाई
थोड़ा ज्यादा ही खट्टा है. एकदम मैंगो का टेस्ट है इसमें, बट फेक मैंगो का टेस्ट है ना.
Kind
वो
of.
जो फ्लेवरिंग वाला रहता है वो है. इट डजंट टेस्ट लाइक अ रियल मैंगो.
It's
इट
tasty.
टेस्ट लाइक कौन सा चॉकलेट था रियल मैंगो का?
मैंगो बाइट.
मैंगो बाइट. या इट डज टेस्ट लाइक मैंगो बाइट.
काइंड ऑफ. या
यार पैकेजिंग में थोड़ा इशू है बिकॉज आधा अंदर ही चिपक जाता है. ये स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर है. अच्छा है, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक अ रियल स्ट्रॉबेरी टेस्ट ना. इट्स लाइक वो फ्लेवरिंग वाला जो स्ट्रॉबेरी होता है ना वो है. बट अच्छा है, बहुत मीठा है.
दांत पे चिपकता नहीं है.
दैट इज ट्रू. वो अजीब सा टैफी रहता है ना जो दांत पे चिपक जाता है, वो नहीं हो रहा है.
वो नहीं हो.
आई फील लाइक आई वुडंट गो आउट ऑफ माई वे टू बाय इट अगेन.
मे बी नॉट.
Yeah, like I don't love it, but I feel like if you have younger kids in your house and you don't want them to have straight up sugar, I feel like this could be a good alternative.
Definitely.
There's also imli flavor which tastes exactly like if you're a 90s kid, पता है वो छोटी सी इमली के वो 2 balls, it tastes exactly like that.
Yes.
So that's a good flavor. But I feel like overall I'll give it like a 7 out of 10.
I'll give it an 8.
The next brand I'm actually very, very excited about, and I know you are also very excited. I'm very excited because we have a pancake and waffle mix. I love waffles. Aditya loves pancakes. So we're going to be trying these out. This is from the brand called London Bubble and Co. इसके ads मुझे काफी बार आते हैं Instagram पे, and they are featured on Shark Tank. So I thought we'll try this out. Now this is an eggless mix which is supposed to be high in protein, and it also has dietary fiber is what it says. We have 2 flavors. We have vanilla, which I am excited about, and then there's chocolate, which probably you are excited about. So before this I have used a pancake mix quite a lot, and the one that I use is from Betty Crocker, which by the way is slightly cheaper than this one, but let's try it out regardless. Okay, so let's start with the waffle. We've made a waffle in a chocolate flavor. Okay, cheers. अच्छा है.
It's nice.
थोड़ा कच्चा है बीच से, but that's obviously on us.
Us.
But काफी अच्छा है यार.
अच्छा है. टेस्ट अच्छा है.
I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate. मतलब compared to vanilla, I will prefer vanilla over chocolate is what I'm trying to say. But ये काफी अच्छा है. I even tried the vanilla pancake. That though I loved. It was so tasty. So ये mix से you can make waffles, pancakes and also crepes. And मुझे दोनों ही flavors काफी अच्छे लगे. What about you?
Even I like the flavor. The batter is nice. It's fluffy.
Yeah.
And it gives a good taste. तो chocolate का काफी अच्छा chocolate flavor है.
Even vanilla. I feel like I might just switch next time. I probably won't buy the Betty Crocker and I'll go for this one. Because इसमें ज़्यादा flavor है. I feel like so, yeah, I think it's great. I'm gonna honestly give it like a 9.5 out of 10.
Yeah, even I'll give it a 9.5.
The next brand that we have is called Tags. ये भी मैंने काफी बार देखा है, Zepto पे मिलता है, आई थिंक Swiggy पे भी मिलता है. It has like really चटाकेदार फ्लेवर्स. इट डज स्नैक्स, एकदम ही टेस्टी फ्लेवर्स लगते हैं. मैंने कभी भी ट्राई नहीं किया है, बट वी बॉट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स.
So we have masala trekking, beer and barbecue,
इटालियन चीज dribbling.
What is this?
Thai vodka tom yum. By the way, all of these are not fried but baked, which is
Not
great.
fried, not baked. Never fried, never baked. They are popped.
Oh, like air fried?
No, not air fried. बोला ना, never fried, never baked.
Okay, interesting. Let's try these. बहुत ही interesting flavors है. Let's try this one. Thai vodka tom yum. Doesn't look like a regular chip. Oh. Thai flavor is strong. Strong, yeah, Thai flavor. Like, if you don't like it, you won't like it.
Very similar to the hot pot
Yeah.
that we did.
Yeah. The flavor is spot on. I'm not a big fan because I have not acquired that taste yet. It's very strong. Let's just say that.
I like it because Thai curry I like. So
Yeah.
it's very similar to that, but
True.
I like it.
फिर we have Italian cheese
Dribbling.
ये चीज वाला फ्लेवर ट्राई करते हैं नेक्स्ट. ओह, ये ऐसे टाइप के, हाँ, पॉप्ड, मतलब जैसे उसका नाम है. अगेन फ्लेवर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग चीज का.
True to its name. बहुत strong cheese का flavor.
मेरे काफी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है इससे. ये है मसाला वाला फ्लेवर. गुड.
Normal masala chips है but ये.
नहीं, अच्छे. Lastly, we have barbecue,
Beer and barbecue, ना?
which I'm personally not a big fan of barbecue flavor in general, so he's gonna be a better judge. Strong, but अच्छा है. Barbecue flavor is there. I don't like it, but I think you might have liked
It's
it.
nice.
I think these are really interesting flavors. बहुत ही basic और boring नहीं है. I feel like all of us are kind of a little bit bored of having the same Lay's flavors at this point. So this is like really, really refreshing and काफी अच्छा ही है. And it's not fried, and it's not even baked, but we're not sure how it's
popped.
It's popped. I don't know how. But my favorite one was masala wala. Which one was your favorite?
The Thai one.
The Thai one? Oh, really?
I
Okay.
like it.
I'll give this brand an 8 out of 10.
8.5 on 10.
And yeah, that's it for today's video. Everything that we've mentioned will be linked down below. So go check it out. Support these brands. I think most of these are made in India brands. And also comment down below if you want us to do a part 2. Maybe in like 6 months, we can do another part where we try more Shark Tank food products.
Definitely we can do a part 2, 3, 4. जितना Shark Tank का season आएगा उतना parts आते जाएगा.
Subscribe, like this video and follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.